In this video, we'll demonstrate how to remove the glazing beads on a picture window and replace the full insulated glass unit. Beginning with the vertical side glazing beads, carefully insert a stiff putty knife or similar tool between the bead and the window frame as shown. Gently pry the bead away from the frame toward the center of the window, starting at one corner. Work slowly along the edge to avoid bending or cracking the bead. Exercise caution while handling the glazing bead. Excessive force can damage it, rendering it unusable. Once the first bead is removed, continue removing the vertical side bead, then the bottom bead, leaving the top bead to help hold the glass in frame until you're ready to remove the glass. Once all the beads are removed, deglaze the glass panel by inserting a flat, flexible putty knife between the glass panel and the frame. Use of suction cups is preferred for safety if a second person is not available. Inspect the frame for any debris or damage and clean the surface before inserting the new glass unit. Using a premium adhesive caulk, apply it to the window frame to form a watertight seal. Carefully place the replacement glass into the frame, ensuring it sits evenly against the window frame. Next, reinstall each glazing bead by pressing it firmly back into the frame groove. Starting with the top, moving to the bottom, and finishing with each side. Use a rubber mallet if necessary to make the glazing bead engage the frame. Finally, inspect the window to ensure the glass is properly seated and all beads are flush with the frame. Clean the glass, and the replacement is complete.